What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I want to talk about some interesting things I'm seeing going on with Hivemapper and the similarities that it is reminding me of with Helium when Helium was first starting to ramp up in 2021. And I want to share this with you guys because I hope I'm not the only one seeing this. And if this is the first time you're seeing this video, I think this is going to connect some dots for a lot of people. So a long time ago in 2021, I believe it was March/April. Oh, before this starts, if you guys want to purchase a Hivemapper, use code BAGNEL10 for 10% off. That code is eligible for indefinite uses and indefinite time frame as far as I know. So in April 2021, I ordered my first Hivemapper devices. I made some videos on it. I think the videos are still up. Started talking about Helium, and I was expected to get them in like June or July. That didn't end up happening because of some backlogs. So they just got so many orders they couldn't keep up with them. And that was multiple manufacturers. With Hivemapper, then they have Hivemapper. They're the only ones making these devices as far as I know. But there are some other authorized sellers and resellers. So what happened during that time is because nobody could get their hands on a device for several months, they started pumping the token. And they pumped that token pretty high up, went up to $50 at the peak. I want to say the peak of the bull run. So you can see I ordered pretty much around here. This is when people started to notice what Helium was back here. I wish I bought tokens back here. And just look, I mean, it started to take off. And a lot of people started to get the devices here. So it started to go down a little bit. They were catching up on backlogs. And then it took off again. Went down, took off again, went down. So there's several points for a lot of people to get out of the project and make a substantial return. So they're looking at this token price and thinking to themselves, why would I buy the device when I can just buy the token and expect the token to go up? And that's what they did, and that's exactly what happened. Or they could have bought the actual Helium devices on eBay for a significant markup. We're talking 2 to 3 times the markup that it was. And this is just, I'm having like severe deja vu with Hivemapper right now, because I've had my Hivemapper device for 6 months now. Actually, it's 7 months. And the token is starting to appreciate big time, mostly due to the fact that people are finding out about it. It seems like it's finally getting some footing. And you can see over the past month, it just gives you a better look. So you can see the past 7 days, but it's really been the past 7 days. We went from 2 cents to 12 cents. We're at 13 cents now, which is absolutely insane. Look, in a month, it's gone up 760%. When I just made the video previously, I had like $1,200 or something. It jumped all the way to 32 or 3,400. Like it blew up the actual token price. And there's people in my Discord server with way more because they've been mapping longer than me, or they've just been mapping more days out of the week than me. So if I were to have mapped more, I would have made more. But at the time, it didn't make sense to me because I was earning pennies. So right now we're sitting at this with Hivemapper, and huge news. Due to overwhelming demand, we now expect an order placed today to be fulfilled in February. And keep in mind, this was posted yesterday. Previously placed orders remain on track to ship in January. We are ramping up production, but if you've been eyeing Hivemapper Dashcam to start mapping and earn rewards, the time to place an order is now. Obviously, do not wait and use code BAGNEL10 for 10% off. With our first in, first out policy, which is FIFO, a little accounting term, the sooner you order, the sooner your Dashcam will ship. I like that. They're not giving anybody any sort of benefit for being fancy or like paying more. So you order the device, you get it. That's how it works. It just got pushed to February. That's a 2-month window where people are not going to be getting devices if they order today. So, ring a bell? Does this remind anything to anybody? I had my device when I placed my order, even though it was given to me by the Hivemapper team. It arrived within 7 to 10 days. So, it's quite a big difference in just the past couple of months, the past 6 months. So going over quickly to the actual, my screen here, I want to show you guys some interesting information, and I have a spreadsheet here which is a little bit different than the data on here because I actually wrote all this stuff down earlier in the day. But Hivemapper is at 12 cents right now. Obviously, I've been talking about that. Something I wanted to know is the honey chart shows that the 14-day RSI, relative strength index, stands at 89.88. It indicates a sign of overbought status. So that means that this token is overbought. The actual value that it's worth is less than the price that it's showing right now. And the MACD crosses above the signal line, indicating a bullish trend. So those are two opposing viewpoints. And I know that because ChatGPT explained it to me. So I'm going to read it for you guys so you guys understand what's going on. But a sign of an overbought status is when a stock or asset is said to be overbought. It means that the price has risen too steeply or quickly, which it's going up 700% in a week. It could suggest that it might be overvalued and due for a price correction. And I'll talk about that actually right now. Look at the fear and greed index. It's been climbing the past 2 weeks. It's at 79 right now. The closer it gets to 100, the closer we are to getting a market correction. The MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is a popular technical indicator used in chart analysis. It consists of two lines, the MACD line and the signal line. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's considered a bullish signal. It implies short-term momentum is gaining strength, and it may be a good time to consider an upward trend. Okay. So in summary, the statement suggests that there's a signal indicating an overbought condition, but at the same time, I gotta get rid of this. Hide until next visit. The indicator is showing a bullish trend, suggesting upward momentum in the short term. So traders and investors often use blah, blah, blah. So it's a little interesting. It's like telling you two different things. It's like, okay, there might be a market correction, but at the same time, it's bullish. So what do you do? Well, I just want to show you guys this crypto price prediction or this crypto value analysis that I just pretty much created. It's very simple. This is how traditional token prices are calculated. You take the market cap and you divide the circulating supply. That gives you the price. And these are the prices as of, I think, like 11 a.m. this morning. So it's changed slightly, but you guys understand the gist of it. And obviously, if you're watching this video, it's going to be way different in the future. It was at 89.85 when I captured this. Now we're at 89.88. So it really hasn't changed that much. But the helium price I saw went to $3. So anyway, right now, helium sits at a market cap of $398 million. Right now, it sits at $398 million. After everything that it's been through, after they pretty much abandoned the low ROAN side of things, it's still sitting at a healthy number of $398 million. Yes, they did launch their other things and whatnot, but I just want to give you guys a project that is still running, and they still have a token price that's relatively good. So if Hivemapper were to go to that price, that's insane. That's like what, 300x or something already from the 700x the past 7 days. Demo, which is another popular car device that plugs into your OBD2 port, market cap is 18.9 million. Their token price is also 12 cents right now, but they have a smaller circulating supply than Hivemapper. So you see right here with Hivemapper and the prediction right here, I do have the same circulating supply that's estimated to change. I just wanted to give you guys an easy way to view the math. I have no clue what the circulating supply is going to be. There's various reasons why it's an odd number. Like they burn tokens, they give out tokens, all this stuff. Right now, Hivemapper sits at a $30 million market cap. And if I look, it's actually 31 million right now, 31,687. And the total circulating supply, let's see, 251,612,739. Yep, there we go. So it's still the same, sitting at 12 cents. The prediction, and this is the prediction. Keep in mind, helium at its peak was one of the top 100 coins at the time during the bull run, which is huge. So Hivemapper right now, if we're to hit 300 million market cap, keep in mind also, if it were to reach 300 million market cap, it's on the Solana network, and it would have to take some sort of change with Solana for them to reach this, whether it's the Solana market cap going down because people are buying the Hivemapper token, or it going up because the price goes up and whatnot. Not sure. But if it were to go up, you're looking at a 10x right now. That's crazy. Something to look at is Caspa, which in January, this is a token. If you guys haven't been following, it's a mineable token. In January, it was an $81 million market cap. Right now, today, it's at $3 billion. So in a year, it's gone up. I can probably do the math on that and put it into a percent. 30. All right, because that's actually supposed to be percent. 3,796% increase in a year. That is insane. Never seen it before. And there it is. So I'll leave this chart up just for a couple more seconds here. If you guys want to pause the video, you can do that now. But that's where we're at. Like, as far as Hivemapper is concerned, it seems like this is gonna go insane. This is not financial advice. And I honestly, I don't know what's going to happen. But looking at it like I looked at Helium and how I saw Helium just go insane overnight. The other thing is people on Twitter are now getting a hold of Hivemapper, and when people on Twitter start posting about Hivemapper, the people on Twitter with like hundreds of thousands of followers that follow them blindly, if they were to jump off a cliff, they would jump with them. They buy any token these people mention. If they mention this token, it's gonna go up. That's just what has happened. They've done that so many times. Just hopefully it doesn't turn into a pump and dump, because Hivemapper is actually a good project and they have good roots and they're aiming to do some cool stuff. In fact, they just launched this Supercharge Hivemapper's Growth with Open Road Season 2 Champions, in which you can actually get a referral link. And if you refer people, you get 500 honey per referral if you refer 9+ people. It looks like the maximum... Actually, this is just an example. If you produce 10 dashcam referrals, you receive a bonus of 5,000 honey. So 500 honey at, or 10 referrals at 500 honey apiece is 5,000. In addition, 10 participants, the top 10 will receive a direct 20,000 bonus at the end of the season. 20,000 bonus, ladies and gentlemen. That's $2,500 that you're going to receive. So there's a huge incentive for a lot of people to start buying these devices. And I think this is like the perfect time for them to announce this giveaway of honey when their price is going through the roof. Is going to get so many more people into the project, and it's a really good move on their part. But I think that's all I got for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment section below. Feel free to join my Discord where we can talk about this. I don't like talking about prices and anything on YouTube because I'm never trying to give out financial advice. I'm just trying to give you guys the data that I see right in front of me. And this has reminded me a lot of Helium when it was starting out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great one.